Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make this sort of image gallery with a pop-up image, and we can use previous button, next button to preview and next our photo. I have made a folder where I have kept another folder named image, and it has 9 images of same size. uh, Also I have made a style.css and index.html as a index, okay, HTML file and CSS file. Let's start with the document type HTML5. Let's give this title image gallery. Link our CSS file with link relation style sheet. Type text slash CSS href style.css. Let us create a div with class gallery. Inside gallery we will keep image source equals to img1 dot jpg. Image slash image slash img1 dot jpg. Image img1.jpg. Similarly, copy this for 9 times, 8 times. We will change the name. Okay, we have this sort of images. Let us give some style to this image. Margin 0 pixel, box sizing, border box, app gallery dot gallery with 100% height auto text center. After that we will do for image img. Just keep the width of image 500 pixel. Margin auto height auto. given wrong CSS path. Slash CSS start.css. Now we can see this sort of let us do some gallery img logo effect filter grayscale 80%, transform scale 1.02. Let us see, this will be the result. Also we'll add some transition 0.5 second. Okay, now we'll go to the link, go to Google and search for LightBox. Go to this link. Now go for GitHub release page. Here we can find version 2.1.1. Download source code for zip file. Okay, open. Inside zip file we have LightBox. Inside LightBox we have dist file. Here go in CSS, this extract to the folder where you have kept your ongoing file. I have kept in my ongoing file HTML gallery. Okay, after this go to JavaScript file, extract LightBox plus JQuery and min.js to the same folder. Similarly, copy image to Control Alt, extract to D drive, application use HTML gallery image file. Let us keep this LightBox min inside CSS and new. Let us create a folder for JavaScript and keep this JavaScript file inside JS. Okay, we have to link this file to a relation to style sheet, type text slash css at href equals to dot slash css lightbox min dot css. Similarly for JavaScript file we will write script source dot slash javascript dot lightbox.js, type text slash javascript. Okay, after this we'll go to gallery and we'll create a link file a href first. This copy the same link to D and put this ending tag do same for other images too. Control C, Control V. Okay, we see the result. uh, we want to show this in pop-up, so we'll write here data as LightBox equals my gallery. Copy this, do for all. Yes. Refresh the gallery. Now we can see LightBox. I have done mistake, sorry for that. Refresh the. Now you can see pop-up. Similarly, you can see previous button and next button. Here we can see the next image and previous image by clicking this. Also, if you want to write title of this, we can write here data title equals DEER. Okay, refresh this. Here we can see data title here DR. This is the title of the image. Similarly, we can do this for all other images too.